Mindfulness is the practice of staying present in the current moment without judgment. It's about paying attention to what's happening in your body, your mind, and your environment. When we become mindful, we allow ourselves to observe our thoughts without getting caught up in them. This is especially helpful when negative or anxious thoughts start to take over. Research has shown that mindfulness can physically rewire your brain, improving your ability to handle stress, reduce anxiety, and find calm in difficult situations. Now let's talk about CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. CBT is a practical, structured approach that helps you identify and challenge negative thought patterns. It's one of the most effective tools for treating anxiety, depression, and stress. CBT is based on the idea that our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are interconnected. When we change the way we think, we can change the way we feel and act. Mindfulness helps us notice our thoughts, and CBT gives us the tools to challenge and reframe them. One of the first steps in using CBT is recognizing what we call cognitive distortions. These are unhelpful, often irrational patterns of thinking that can lead to anxiety and stress. Let's go over a few common examples. The first is all or nothing thinking. This happens when we see things in black and white terms with no room for nuance. For example, you might think, "I always fail," or "I never get it right." Another common distortion is catastrophizing, where we imagine the worst possible outcome, even if it's unlikely, or overgeneralization, where we take a single event and apply it to everything in our lives. These types of thoughts can be overwhelming, but the good news is that with mindfulness and CBT, you can learn to notice these patterns and break free from them. Let's try a simple mindfulness exercise to help you become more aware of your thoughts. Sit comfortably and close your eyes if you're able. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to your thoughts. Imagine your mind as a clear blue sky and your thoughts are clouds passing through. You don't need to hold on to them or chase after them, just notice them and let them drift away. If you notice a negative thought, like "I'm not good enough" or "I always fail," simply acknowledge it. Don't try to push it away, but also don't engage with it. Just observe it, like a cloud passing in the sky. Now take a deep breath and let it go. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Now that we've practiced being mindful of our thoughts, let's use a CBT technique to reframe them. When a negative thought comes up, like "I always fail," ask yourself, is that really true? What evidence do I have that contradicts this thought? Often you'll find that these thoughts are exaggerated or not based on facts. By questioning these thoughts and replacing them with more balanced, realistic ones, you can change the way you feel and how you respond to challenging situations. The combination of mindfulness and CBT is a powerful tool for managing negative thoughts and reducing anxiety. Mindfulness helps us become aware of our thoughts, while CBT gives us the tools to challenge and reframe them. With practice, you can train your mind to become more present, resilient, and at peace. Remember, it's a journey. Be patient with yourself as you learn and grow. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this practice helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to Mindful Pathways for more guided mindfulness sessions and practical tools to improve your mental well-being. Subscribe now and join our community on the path to mindfulness, emotional resilience, and cognitive clarity. If you have any questions regarding the information in this video or a desired topic for a future video, please let us know in the comments section. Thank you.